some free stuff out for you. We got a lot of cool stuff to give out. We're going to see who's the loudest out here. This is the real deal, Jimmy Gill! Next up, Mr. Bryce Hudson! The louder you get, the bigger they go! Mr. James Hyder, Dr. Hyder! Keep that noise going, San Diego! You guys are way too quiet for freestyle. Come on! All right, like I did before, when I say boost, you say mobile. Boost! 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 Mobile! There we go. These guys are loud over here. Who wants a free set of headphones? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Come on, we hear it. That was loud. Whoa! The heel clicker backflip. Who wants a free short? I can't hear you guys. Come on, I can't hear you. If you didn't know, also S&P is back in the house. It's going to be selling next up soon. So make sure you check your local stores for S&P clothing. Wow, the running man, the Flat Flintstone, James Carter. James wants to hear you. Come on. Make sure you check out FreestyleMX.com and FreestyleMotocross.com for all the latest news. These guys are still jumping 40 feet in the air, 75 feet distance. Come on, San Diego! Wow, James Carter throwing it out. If you get loud enough, Jim McNeil right there will throw down big for you. Jim can hear you out there. Come on! Wow! They're all throwing it down here tonight. Who wants a free whistle from Moose Lobo? Come on! Whoa! Jim McNeil practicing for that best trick right now. Who wants a free whistle? I can't hear you over here. Johnny, they want to hear you. You see our rock star guy doesn't like Monster. I can see it. It's okay. They're still leading down the #1 drink out there. Monster Energy's in the house. Oh! Lazy boys. You guys gotta get loud. Southbay. Come on. These guys are risking their lives. You guys have no idea how dangerous it is. We lost a good friend of ours, Jeremy Lusk, about a year and a half ago. He started on our tour. I found the guy, and he's one of the best in the world that passed away in Costa Rica due to wind. These guys out there are throwing it down for you. I know it looks easy, but it's not. Come on, let's hear it for them. They want to hear you. Make that noise. Whipping it sideways. Oh, the Captain Morgan. All right, they're not done yet, but give a big round of applause for our riders. heck are these things right here? Well, these things right here are the bars that make you get back on the bike when you're upside down. Every rider has them. If you're upside down, you got to be doing all the tricks out there. These are the custom ones here. Jim McNeil has the $1 million bar flip bars up here from France. I think they're a huge amount of money, but they're awesome looking. Also, you got holes underneath the frame. This bike right here, you can purchase right inside there. They do sell them. That's where the guys do. They don't sell that though, right? They don't sell that. Yep. They don't sell a KTM, okay? Okay? Maybe later you can dance for us, okay? I know that's what you want to do. Another thing they do is the suspension. They actually get these things stiffened up, get a pipe for the bike, a little bit different gearing, and a holes underneath their seat, and they're pretty much good to go after that. Well, we're going to do the best trick and best whip, one each. So they're going to get one jump doing the best trick, one jump doing the whip, and they're going to show you guys what freestyle is all about, and you guys get to pick the winner of these guys right here. So pay attention. This guy right here comes from Phoenix, Arizona. You see him in the X Games. You see him on Nuclear Cowboys. He is the Ghost Rider on the Nuclear Cowboys, riding for Rockstar Energy. He's the one and only, the real deal, Jim McNeil. So when he hits the ramp, I want to hear you guys scream. The Cordova backflip. Come on, he can hear you. He wants to hear you. He's got one more. This is his whip contest right here. Come on. Oh, the turn down whip. One more time. Here we go. Well, next up, right at 8 p.m., is the kid from Vista, California. He wants to hear you. When he hits the ramp, I want to hear you guys scream. This is Bryce Hudson. Let me help him out a little bit. He's got one more. Come on, let's hear it for him. Oh, the pendulum, double pendulum. One more time. Give it up for our boy. We'll throw it down for you. That's clean, incredible sex. You need me, please me, baby. He wants one more. Come on, let's get that kid. Give it up one more time for Mr. Bryce Hudson. Let's see what he does. This is the guy right there. He's throwing it down. Come on. I throwing it down for you. Come on, one more time for Mr. Bryce Hudson up there. Who wants a shirt? I can't hear you. Oh! Go ahead. All right. James was saying he's a backup dancer for Madonna, but I know it's MC Hammer. Well, this guy right here is from San Diego. He wants to hear you. It's James Berger. Well, this guy right here, he's the ladies' man. That's right, Mr. James Carter. Oh, he's like, what? I can't hear you. You never know what he's gonna do. Upside down. When he hits the ramp, cheer him on. One more time. Oh, wow. Give it up for James Carter. What is this? He doesn't know the rules out there. He wants another rebate out there since we got all the photographers and all the camera people and video people and the Southbay people, the Captain Morgan. Unbelievable. Now, I hope you guys were paying attention. We're going to be picking a winner right now. Only cheer for the guy that you want to win out of these three riders. I'm going to start it off with our boy from Phoenix, Arizona. Let's hear it for the real deal, Jim McNeil. All right, next up from this side, let's hear it for Bryce Hudson. The backup dancer for MC Hammer, looking good out there. Last but not least, from San Diego, California, our winner, James Carter. Oh, we got some more stuff to give out. Okay, I was just informed. Jason will be coming out right after these guys. And let me tell you, I've seen a lot of street bike guys. I've been doing this for over 15 years, and I've never seen him in person. I saw him today, and he's the best guy I've ever seen. Wow, here they go! Whipping sideways! 2 more jumps to go! 2 more! I'm holding another headset. Who has a Boost mobile phone? The first person that shows me a Boost phone. You have to have a Boost phone. Are you showing it again? No, it has to be Boost phone. I think this guy right here has it. He's the guy. Headphones. There you go, buddy. Now remember, don't go nowhere. Jason and his sidekick. I'm telling you, he's not a sidekick. This guy is mad to the bone too. Both these guys together put on a great show, and you gotta come over here and see them. It's coming up right now, and afterwards, you gotta be present for the raffle. That's right, they're gonna give stuff away, courtesy of Southbay. Big boxes of stuff. Big boxes. Now we're going to be getting Jason over here and the guys. Now make sure you check out FreestyleMX.com for all the latest news. These guys are going big right now in Las Vegas. $40,000 for best trick right now. The monster boy himself, Kyle Loza, is going to be doing some big trick upside down. Southbay Motorsports stepping it up, bringing him out here. Unbelievable to see him out here. This is the guy you see on TV all the time. He's here in person signing autographs. These guys will be signing autographs too, so don't worry. We got one more autograph signing today. We get a free lanyard and autograph card, courtesy of Boost Mobile. Don't be leaving. I know these guys are coming right now. These are our street bike guys coming up. Now, if you ever went inside and checked out all the cool stuff, this is the #1 dealer in Southern California. Ted and Hal and all the guys there, they're doing this all for the fans. They'd like to get back to the community. They get hamburgers, hot dogs. If you want a deal, you come here. This is the #1 dealership that has the #1 financing out there in Southern California. They got a lot of people that's worked here forever. All the salespeople I know. Rudy, he's been here since dirt. That guy's been here longer than anybody, pretty much, besides that. There's a reason why the salespeople still stay here, and the parts people. We'll be getting Jason up here in a moment. We're going to be signing autographs in that monster pit over there. What's up?